All right, this is the huge snowfall of December 19 and 20, 2009. There's about 24 inches of snow in Southampton. 1964 Willie's truck hasn't seen this much snow ever. There's about 3 feet of snow on top of it. HT, have you ever seen this much snow in your life?
No.
Since you were born?
Not that I remember.
All right, here's the yard. All pristine. You can see the snow's actually still coming down. We're trying to dig the car out. We're not sure we're going to be able to get out today. We're probably snowed in, but it's beautiful out here. Those planters. Shows you kind of how much snow we got, because that's not drift, that's pure snow. That's got to be at least 24 inches there. All right, as a continuation of our video, Allie, what did you just say? This is the most what?
Snow I've ever seen in my life.
Let's see the road. I don't know if we can get here. The snow's a little too tough trudging through here. Here's a little pine forest at the end of the driveway. Okay, here's the road. But, looks like they plowed us in. What do you think, Allie?
It's up to my knees.
Harrison, bring the shovel. Harrison's doing a snow angel. Very helpful, Harrison.
Thank you.
All right, so here's our street.
I'm just gonna go.
Keep going, buddy. Keep going.
That's the front hedge of our house. Whoa, here comes a car. I don't know if it's going anywhere. It's our street, pretty snowy. Doesn't look like they're doing much plowing. You can see how big these snowdrifts are. It's almost We've almost shoveled our way out. Except once you get to the street, that's a bit of a problem because there's a big snowbank there. But I don't know, we'll do something.